Good morning. You are listening Pooja Kushwaha, your news anchor of Lava Farah Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 27th June from around the world. AstraZeneca Moderna ahead in COVID-19 vaccine race. Certainly in terms of how advanced they are, the stage at which they are I think probably the leading candidate. WHO Chief Scientist Soumya Swaminathan told a news conference. A WHO-led coalition fighting the pandemic on Friday asked government and private sector donors to help raise $31.3 billion in the next 12 months to develop and deliver tests, treatments, and vaccine for the disease. Over $30 billion needed to develop COVID-19 tests, treatments, vaccines. The WHO initiative aims to scale up delivery of 500 million tests and 245 million courses of treatment to low and middle income countries by mid-2021. It said in a statement. WHO said $3.4 billion had been contributed to date, leaving a funding gap on $27.9 billion, of which $13.7 billion was urgently needed. Antibody test may help detect COVID-19 infection if used at right time. By combining data from many studies, they have shown that the tests are not accurate enough to confirm whether someone has the COVID-19 virus if used in the first 2 weeks after the symptoms appear. Beijing eases coronavirus lockdown as mass testing gathers pace. A vast majority of them are linked to the sprawling Sinfadi market in the city's south that supplies after 80% of Beijing fresh produce and meat. New world record set for single lighting flash stretching over 700 kilometers. Bhutan says flow of river water to Assam disrupted by heavy rains. Some reports in the media, mainly in the northeastern states, had said Bhutan had stopped the flow of water through dongs and traditional irrigation channels. The reports had said thousands of farmers in Assam's Baksha and Udalguri district has been affected as they have been dependent on river water from Bhutan since the 1950s. To the Indo-LAC standoff, China must stop erecting new structures. China should stop creating obstructions and hindrances in normal patrolling of Indian troops, said New Delhi's China Envoy. China, the common link between Ladakh and 3 US super carriers in the Indo-Pacific. The last time there were 3 US aircraft super carriers groups in the Pacific Oceans was 3 years ago because of North Korea. I, Pooja Kushwaha, come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.